In this business, a warranty is more than paper. It shows how much a manufacturer trusts its engineering. When a machine is expected to run for 15 years, you need to know who pays if the core fails during a cold snap. I have over 17 years in the field, and I learned to look past marketing to the technical fail-safes. Today we are comparing two ultimate tier heavyweights, the Direct Comfort GSZV9 and the Ruud Endeavor UP19AY. The first thing you notice is the cabinet, and both machines use full louvered steel panels. In the field, a louvered steel panel acts like armor for the coil. Some brands use thin wire guards that leave units vulnerable to hail or a weed whacker. Both Direct Comfort and Ruud are built to take a punch. Now for efficiency, we look at the HSPF2 rating, which is basically the miles per gallon for heating. The Ruud UP19AY hits a 10.0 HSPF2 and is an absolute beast in efficiency. The Direct Comfort GSZV9 is solid but trails at an 8.2 HSPF2. That gap in efficiency will show up on your utility bill over a long winter. Under the hood, both systems use variable speed compressors and variable speed condenser fans. Variable speed systems ramp up and down to match exactly what a home needs. That eliminates annoying temperature swings and keeps the air moving consistently. Look at the brands behind the names: Ruud from the Rheem family and Direct Comfort as the value arm of Goodman and Amana, owned by Dakin. You get world-class engineering from both, but you are paying for two different reputations. There is a significant price gap, but you must weigh that against the protection you are getting. Ruud offers a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee for compressor failure in year 9. Direct Comfort offers a lifetime compressor warranty and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. Both units are manufactured in the USA, so build quality is top tier. Remember, even the best system is useless without maintenance, so keep coils clean and filters fresh. Airflow is the only thing keeping a high-end variable speed system from burning itself out. Winner, Direct Comfort, because it delivers the same advanced technology with lower installation costs and a lifetime compressor warranty. While Ruud is the efficiency king, Direct Comfort is the smarter play for most homeowners for total protection and value. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC Dash for dashbeginners.com.